let's take this Dollar Tree bank and turn it into a gratitude box. What? I know. Hey, everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so I have these printables. They are printed on clear sticker paper. Okay, and I used a regular printer. This is a little bank I got from Dollar Tree. It's super cute, I know, but we're going to take the back off and we're going to take the graphic out and we're going to remove the wordage. So I just used some acetone. Not great, I know, but this was the way I could get it off, and just it came right off. Easy peasy. Then I cleaned it with some rubbing alcohol. I have these beautiful napkins from TJ Maxx. Get it down to 1 ply. Then we're going to paint that back thing that we took off. We're going to paint it with some chalk paint, and then I coated it with some Mod Podge. Let it dry. Once it's dry, we adhere our napkin to it by using a iron. Then I sanded off the edges. Perfect. Then I masked off the glass because I'm messy. Whatever. Now listen, I'm going to tell you right now, this was the project that really challenged me, because look at this. I thought that it was a bubble. It was the whole thing peeled off. I had to redo the whole thing. So I'm just saying, if you notice, if you go to paint yours, if yours was like mine and you go to paint it, don't pull anything off, or else the whole thing's going to pull off. Anyways, I painted the whole box with Java chalk paint. And then once it was dry, I distress it with some sheepskin colored chalk paint. Let that dry. And then we remove all of our, the masking tape that we put on originally, which, look at that. Woo, I love that. And then just to clean it up even further, I used a little rubbing alcohol on the glass just to get that excess paint if it seeped through the masking tape. So, perfect. Dry it off. Then, yes, I had to distress the backer. Yes, love me through it. It's fine. I put that back on and stop it. Look how cute already. Now, I printed 2 different graphics. One of them says gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. And the other one says, I think gratitude is the key to happiness. All right, so I have a little tag that I had gotten at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to try and just put that on the tag. I put some matte Mod Podge on top, only because it's really, really shiny, and I thought maybe the matte Mod Podge would chill it out. While that's drying, I'm going to show you, you could do this one of 2 ways. This is the easy peasy way. Look, you could just put that sticker right on the front, and ta-da, look how pretty, right? It's very subtle. You can embellish it, all of the things, or you could do what I did, and I put it on the tag, and then I wrapped the box with some jute, give it a tie and a knot, easy peasy, and then I added a little messy bow, and it was just a few pieces of ribbon that I had here and there. That's all it is. Tie it together and glue it on. Look at how cute. I love it. And then you can add all of your little gratitude. Remember, we did those yesterday. You could have your guests or your family, or starting in the beginning of November, you could have these, like, just write down what you're thankful for and put it in the box. And then at the end of the month, you could read them all. What? I know. All right. I'll stop being so excited. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.